Welcome to the video, everybody. This is my Galaxysedge eBay haul. Obviously living in England, I can't just pop over to California to get my stuff that I want for my collection, so here we go. Here's what I managed to get off eBay from the land that is known as Galaxysedge. Firstly, we'll start with this bag. This came with what you're going to see inside it. I think these were given out on the first day. I'm not sure if they're still given out now. I've seen some red ones about. Come with the Disneyland logo on the side. There you go, Disneyland. What does that say? Disneyland Park. It's on the other side. Same. I've seen people who actually cut these out into squares and put them on the wall. So yeah, that's the bag what comes. The bottom. Nothing on the bottom. That's one of the purchases. So after the bag, the next thing I bought was this Star Wars Galaxysedge opening day t-shirt. For prices, I'm sure people will be interested because it's off eBay. I'll leave all the prices down below of what I paid. It may shock a few people, but this is what you have to do to get the stuff. Yeah, people who've come to the channel for this, I do travel the world, and this will be worn on my upcoming trip to India and Nepal. So yeah, the opening day t-shirt. The next thing I ordered was a Disneyland map. This is the actual guide map, but I didn't order it for this. This came free with it. As you can see, it's an up-to-date map, so it's got Galaxysedge on it. But I actually ordered it for this map. I'm not sure if these are still getting given out now, but this was definitely on the opening day, the opening week. And as you can see on the map, it's a completely different texture. But it has it kind of sticks out like a 3D image of the Millennium Falcon, and inside it, it's really glossy inside. It's the same map as what I've just shown you, but it tells you there, look, Galaxysedge, all the rides, what you can do. It's a really nice map, this. I'm glad I got this. It looks fantastic on the outside, as you can see. That's the whole picture. Yeah, it's a really nice map. I'm really glad I got this. So, if you're watching this, do they still do them? I'm not sure if they still do these maps, but yeah, really glad to get hold of that. And with it came this, as you can see, it's $10, this Black Spire Outpost. Docking Bay, what's that say, 5? Star Wars Galaxysedge, it is a Millennium Falcon magnet. That came with it, so all that came as a package as well. Again, prices will be down below for what I paid, but really pleased to get hold of this. Really pleased. Okay, let's move on to the next item. The next item is one of the ones I definitely wanted to get, and I paid very much over the odds for these, but I have no other chance and no other way of getting these. Sprite Bottle in a thermal detonator. Diet Coke, a Coke, and a Dasani water bottle. As you can see, all the language is in, is it Arabish, the local Star Wars language? If you take the top off as well, that's a bit tight. Let's try this one. I've only got one hand. Yeah, there you go. Basically, it is just, they're all set like the thermal detonators from Star Wars. You can see the writings in Arabish. They're just, the lid is just inside the bottle, so just normal lids. Let's take a closer look. This is a Sprite bottle, and it does say somewhere, maybe down here if it focuses. Yeah, see the bottom, the 13.5 Arabish, the language. So that's Sprite. Diet Coca-Cola, they're the same. Coca-Cola. Again, it should say down there somewhere. Oh, there you go. Coca-Cola. Fantastic, them out there. I love them. And then this only came the other day. I was waiting for this. It's the Dasani water bottle. So of course, if you're a big Star Wars nerd like us, you'll know they have their own language. Arabish for Sprite, Diet Coke, Coca-Cola, and Dasani. That's my next product. Again, price is what I paid, shockingly, down below. we move on to the next item, and this might cause a bit of controversy because these are not actually a present to give away. Yeah, if you know Star Wars Galaxy, they have Ogas Cantina there, and they have menus. This is an actual menu from there. Now they're not actually gifts, someone will have took this out of the shop, but I want to explain how I got this. I've seen these on eBay and they are like £50 to £60 going. Now someone had this on for a bid, you could bid for it. So what I thought I would do, it was only £3 postage. This was in England, this by the way, so someone had fetched it back with them. An hour before the bid ended, the only top bid was only £16. So with delivery it was 19, so I thought, oh, I'll bid £17. I'm not paying more than £20 with a £3 delivery. And I woke up the next morning and I'd actually won the bid, so I got this for £20. I don't encourage the stealing at all, but when these are going for 50, 60 quid and I got it for £20, yeah, somebody's obviously took it without reason, but it adds to my collection. So as you can see, Ogas Cantina, you can actually buy the Cliff Dweller mugs, $32. These are all the drinks. Apparently those snacks are disgusting. There's the jellies and that. And on the other side is the alcoholic drinks, where you can buy that drink there for $42 and you get to keep the mug. Fizzy Tonton, that makes your lips go numb apparently. And then on the bottom you can see beers on tap. You can buy that as a collectible item with a Rancor teeth for $75 and wine on tap. Yeah, so let's just show you a quick look through it. So yeah, I honestly didn't think I would get this at all. I thought it would be a wasted bid, and I couldn't believe it when I woke up and I'd actually got it for £20. No postage, like I say, because it was in England. So yeah, let's move on to the next item. The final two items, let's start with the blade. This blade is a 26-inch lightsaber blade, which will be for this lightsaber in there. The cost of this was $45. Don't forget, all my prices down below include shipping and export, is it? Yeah, which is a lot of money. They kill you on that, so all them prices will include that. Okay, so there's the lightsaber blade in there, and this is the main ticket item. This would cost you $110. I paid a lot more than that for it. Yep, $110. Don't forget, I paid more than that for this item, and I had to pay shipping and tax. It's so expensive, but how else do I get hold of one of these? It is slightly heavier. I think the hilt is at this end because it's definitely weighing down that way. This is the box. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to open it on another video. But as you can see there, it is the Jedi Temple Guard lightsaber. That's the end of the video from the Galaxysedge eBay haul for me here in England. Remember, I can't fly over there. I have to order off eBay. I know a lot of people don't like it. I think there's a name for it beginning with P. What they call the people who put stuff on the eBay and charge more, but how else do I get this stuff? I can't just fly over, can I? That's it. Remember to check the upcoming video where I will be unboxing and testing out this Jedi Temple Guard lightsaber with the blade, attachable blade. Yeah, that's it. Remember to check down below for the prices of what I've paid. You may be shocked on some of them, you may not be. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, if you watch this channel, it's a travel vlog channel. In another 7 weeks I will be in India and Nepal. But yeah, that's Star Wars Galaxy's Edge finished. Thank you everybody, and I'll see you all soon. Goodbye.